Hi all, welcome to Star Collections. In today's episode, I'm going to show you very exclusive Aari embroidery designs that are frequently selected by our customers and repeatedly designed in our factory unit. It's a patchwork of peacock which has been repeatedly done in many different colors. We have used jerry, French knots, jardoshi and laurels in this peacock motif. Design number 2. It's a boat neck with teardrop hole. We have used two different shapes of mirrors with jardoshi beads and mix work for the back neck with floral buttas. This is how the front neck looks and this is how the sleeves look like. Design number 3, it's a leaf neck with meeting points. It's a unique floral bed work with mango, jardoshis and a long French knot 3-petal florals with creeper patterns all over the back. This is how the front neck looks with a mini work for the sleeves. Design number 4, it's a very elegant design liked by all ages. We have used clip stones and done pani work. This is how the front neck looks with the simple work for the sleeves. It's a simple but most liked boat neck design. We have given square buttas all over the body with the mix of foil mirrors and sequins. And this is how the front neck looks like with the mini work on the sleeves. Design number 6, it's a very elegant and classy design liked by most of the ages. This is how the front neck looks with the classy border work for the sleeve line. Design number 7, it's a mix work of beads and sequins. We have added pearls to give more prettier look. This work comes with buttas on either sides including the back. This is how the front neck looks and that's how pretty the sleeve looks. Design number 8, it has been designed using the new trend material called katoris around the neck and buttas as well. This is how the front neck looks with beautiful self buttas for the sleeves. Design number 9, it's a rich blend of mixed works using jardoshis, cut beads, resham French knots in the floral bed around the neck and in the buttas all over the body. This is how the front neck looks and this is how the sleeve looks like. Design number 10, it's a very rich and heavy 3D bullion roses work around the neck with jardoshi leaves along with it. This is how the front neck looks with the creeper line border for the sleeves. Design number 11, it's a simple yet elegant clipstone work that looks like a jewel around your neck. This is how the front neck looks like. This is how the sleeve looks with the borderline work. Design number 12, it's a silk thread floral work with the mix of katori and clipstones around the neckline. This is how the front neck looks like with the mini work for the sleeves. Design number 13, it's a beads work with the mix of multicolor cut beads for the buttas on the either side of the back. This is how the front neck looks like with vertical line patterns on the sleeves. Design number 14, it's a self work with the mix of jardoshis, clipstones, cut beads, resham, sequins all over the neck with the rich look. This is how the front neck looks like with elegant floral buttas for the sleeves. Design number 15, it's a simple yet mix of jardoshi, beads and kundan design with buttas all over the body. This is how the front neck looks like with buttas all over the sleeves. All these designs that we went through today, we have the ready outline sketch for them and it could be designed within a day or two. Not only these designs, apart from these, any of the designs that could be from your sarees, collection of pictures, it could be designed in our showroom to your ultimate satisfaction. Thanks for watching our video all this while. Please contact us for any of your embroidery designs at 9498 370037. Hope to see you with more designs in the next episode.